Are you frustrated because your smart TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi? You're not alone. A solid Wi-Fi connection is essential for enjoying your favorite shows and streaming smoothly. Let's explore simple fixes to get you back online. First, let's understand why your smart TV might struggle with Wi-Fi. Common issues include internet outages, network overload, software updates needed, or even a damaged Wi-Fi receiver. Identifying the cause is the first step to solving your dilemma. Now, let's dive into 5 effective fixes for your connectivity issues. First, reset your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it, wait a moment, and plug it back in. This simple step can resolve many glitches. Next, check your Wi-Fi password. If it's incorrect, your TV won't connect. Double-check and ensure you have the right credentials. Thirdly, consider switching to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. While 5 GHz offers more speed, its range can be limited, causing connection problems for some devices. Fourth, connect your TV using an Ethernet cable. This method can bypass Wi-Fi issues completely, providing a direct internet connection. Lastly, use your mobile device as a hotspot. If your TV connects successfully, the issue is likely with your router, not the TV. If you're still encountering problems, it might be time to change Wi-Fi networks. Test if your smart TV can connect to a different network. If it works, your original network may be the culprit. You can also reset your Wi-Fi network settings. Ensure your Wi-Fi password is correct, perform a soft reset by unplugging the router, and update the firmware on your TV. For Samsung Smart TVs, perform a factory reset if necessary. After resetting, connect to your Wi-Fi using either automatic or manual IP settings. Don't forget to keep your TV's software updated. Regular updates can fix bugs that may hinder your connectivity. In summary, smart TVs need a stable internet connection to perform their best. If your device faces Wi-Fi issues, these troubleshooting steps should help resolve them. Ready to start binge watching? Don't let Wi-Fi problems disrupt your fun. Begin with these tips to enjoy seamless streaming today.